Hello everyone. Today we are going to start chapter Tansin and the Deepak Raga. Chapter number 6 of Reader. Tansin and the Deepak Raga. In this chapter you will learn about the greatest musician of India. Have you heard about Tansin? No, he has been the greatest musician of India. In this story, we will read about the legendary means famous, musician Tansen and the power of his music. Read this story about the legendary musician Tansen and the power of his music. King Ramchandra of Rewa sent Tansen as a royal gift to Emperor Akbar. Soon Akbar was so impressed by Tansen's music that he bestowed on him the highest honor of the land, an inclusion in his Navratnas or nine jewels, the nine most outstanding talents of the royal court. Means the king Ramchandra gave Tansen as a gift to Akbar. Soon Akbar was impressed by Tansen's music and he always gave a special status as a mark of honor that was the land. He included Tansen in his Navratna or nine jewels of the royal court. Besides performing in the court, Tansen would often sing for the emperor alone. At night, he sang the ragas that would soothe the emperor and help him fall asleep, and in the morning Tansen sang special ragas that would gently awaken the emperor. Means Tansen also sang in solitary for the king in addition to the court. At night he sang the raga that would calm the emperor and help him to sleep, and in the morning he sang special ragas that would help him to wake up. It is said that when Tansen sang, birds and animals would often gather to hear him. Means it is said that when Tansen sang, birds and animals gathered to listen him. One morning, Emperor Akbar decided to visit Tansen. When the emperor arrived, Tansen was singing and playing the tanpura. The emperor sat quietly in the veranda and listened to him. So pleased was the emperor with Tansen's music that he took off on his necklace and gifted it to Tansen. Means one day in the evening time, Akbar decided to visit Tansen. When the Akbar reached there, that time Tansen was singing and playing the tanpura. The emperor sat quietly in the veranda and listened to his song. He was very impressed with Tansen's music. So emperor gave him his necklace as a gift. Tansen's fame spread far and wide. People said that he was the greatest singer to have been born in 1,000 years. Some courtiers became very jealous of Tansen's fame and began to plot his downfall. They suggested to the emperor that he command Tansen to sing the Deepak Raga for him. Means now Tansen fame due to his singing. People believed that Tansen was the greatest singer to have been born in 1,000 years. But some courtiers felt jealously of Tansen's fame. They started planning to plot his downfall. So they suggested to the emperor that he command Tansen to sing the Deepak Raga for him. The Deepak Raga was one of the most difficult ragas to sing. It was said that a perfect rendition of this raga gave rise to so much heat that not only would lamps light up on their own, but also the singer's body would burn to ashes. Means, and the Deepak Raga was one of the most difficult ragas. It was not easy to perform for all. It was not difficult. It was difficult because if this raga performed in proper way, then so much heat not only would lamp lights up on their own, but also the singer's body would burn to ashes. When Akbar asked Tansen to sing the Deepak Raga, Tansen pleaded, "Sire, the Deepak Raga can set the singer on fire." Means, so when Akbar commanded Tansen to sing the Deepak Raga, Tansen requested to Akbar and pleaded means requested that it is dangerous raga and it can set the singer on fire. But the emperor would not listen. If you are the greatest singer in the land, you must accept this challenge, insisted Emperor Akbar. Means, but the king Akbar insisted him to sing the Deepak Raga and told him that if he is the greatest singer in the land, he must accept his challenge. Tansen knew that singing the Deepak Raga was dangerous, but he also knew that if the Megh Raga, which brings rain, could be sung at the same time, he would be saved from the fury of fire. Means, Tansen knew that the Deepak Raga was dangerous, but he also knew that if the Megh Raga could be sung at the same time, it brings rain. So, in that way, he would be saved from fury of fire. But how can I sing both the raga at the same time? Thought Tansen worriedly to himself. As he roamed in the garden to his house, suddenly he had an idea. Maybe Rupa, a devoted disciple of Swami Haridas, could sing with him. Means, but now he was confused because he can sing both the raga at the same time. How he can sing both the raga at the same time? He was very worried to himself. Suddenly he thought an idea. He remembered that Rupa, a student of Swami Haridas, could sing Megh Raga with him. With the permission of Haridas, Rupa agreed to sing with Tansen. Rupa was very good musician. Tansen used the 15 days of preparation time granted by Akbar to train her. At the end of the 2 weeks, Rupa had perfected her rendition of the Megh Raga. Means, so he took permission from Swami Haridas and Rupa agreed to sing with Tansen. Rupa was also a good musician, but Akbar gave him 15 days to train her. At the end of the 2 weeks, she had perfected to sing the Megh Raga.